For instance, another one would be when it comes to hormones and diet would be fat. We need fat. All the low fat craze from the 1970s, it's complete bunk. And yes, animal fat is good. Animal fat is not bad. What is in fat? Cholesterol is in fat. I know cholesterol gets a bad rap. And in the traditional medical system, we're taught about how bad cholesterol is. Let's talk about how good cholesterol is. Every cell in the body has cholesterol. We will die without cholesterol, period. It's a building block of cells. It's really, really concentrated in the brain. The brain has a lot of cholesterol, a lot of fat, a lot of cholesterol. That's one of the reasons they think dementia might be on the rise, is because there's so many people on these anti-cholesterol, cholesterol-lowering medications called statins, that dementia is on the rise. And dementia has been linked to statins. So check into that. If you are on statins, please check into that. So without cholesterol, we will die. Well, where do hormones come from? Where do our sex hormones come from? They have what's called a cholesterol backbone. They are made from cholesterol. So without cholesterol, we can't produce our own hormones. So without the proper fat and cholesterol in our diet, we are not going to have optimal hormones.